and therefore it's like.
This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks. So I'm going to call this meeting to order. Folks, sorry it's a little late because technical issues. But here we are. It is 10:37. We are taking attendance through the sign-in plus our virtual process. No indications that we have anyone here for public comment, nor have I received any requests with respect to the approval of minutes. I didn't get those to you. And also, I think this is no, that's good. Anyway, so we will do that next month. So we'll take care of the 2 months worth of meeting minutes on, I think it's December 19th. So once again, we're doing the same back-to-back thing because of this time Thanksgiving and next month Christmas. Okay. Just want to make sure here we go. So that being said, anyone have objections to holding on the minutes? Okay, thank you. We will see to it next meeting. Moving on to items for action and referral to the policy committee, in this case the latter. And I'm just going to turn this over to Derek because all of these are amendments emanating from District 5. So.
Okay. I'd like to take them as a group if that's possible.
That's fine.
Amendments 22 and 23 are updates to FY 2026 stuff. There's an update for JO43, that's amendment 22, and that's just adding a railroad crossing improvement to JO43. JO43-5 is just some movement out of the land acquisition. I think it might have been in FY26 in error. I don't know if it was ever supposed to be in FY26, so it needs to move back to 25.
That even makes sense to be 26.
I know. I don't know how it ended up there, but it ended up there. So it's going back. Amendments 24 through 27 involve the MYP update. JO43-3 it was a cost increase of Main to Empire. The same project, they added a utility line in FY27 and in FY28. Amendment 26A161 is a bridge deck overlay that was moved to FY28 from another FY. And description change also. Also in FY28, Y089-2 also moved to FY28 as an administration change. And that's it.
Does anyone have questions for Derek on any of these?
For Amendment 24, what kind of cost? I mean, so it was the overall percentage of cost increases. What were you cost increased? What do you have any?
I don't remember. I can follow up with that though.
We're all seeing that, so it's just kind of always good to kind of have. It's okay, not a.
I don't think it was a very, very big cost increase.
Okay.
I'll have to go to there's something in my mind about the scope changing on this before, and then like the decrease the cost, but increase the cost to where it was a slight increase still.
Question doesn't impact my ability to vote yes for it.
Yeah.
More, you know,
I will mark it for follow up, and when I get back, I'll double check.
What we'll do, if we need to next month, is just make sure that we'll get to this in a minute on the eco-interactive part of the problem here, but we will clear all of that up and make sure that everything matches to everything.
Yeah.
Great. Any other questions for Derek? Okay, seeing none. How do you want to do this, Derek? Group the whole set all together, or do the first 2 and then the last 4?
Do you mind if I move to? I would move to accept it, Amendment 22 through Amendment 27.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Second. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So motion is to accept all of them as a group. Motion by Jim, seconded by Dan. All those in favor. First of all, any further discussion? No. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Thank you. Motion carries. Those are action items for today. Updates, the real update is about, again, the ETIP and the processing for that. And we are still in the process, and with Thomas not here, I can't really go into details, but we're still in the process of kind of adapting between our original, people send me stuff and we do this, and the addition into the ETIP process. And we will have more on that next month because Thomas and I are going to sit down and kind of work through A, where we are, and B, how we're going to manage this through the pendency of the current TIP, and then how we're going to do use of call for projects, which we used to just be me sending nasty emails, and it will now be me sending nasty emails about how to put stuff into the ETIP platform. So we may still do a sort of parallel process for a little while until everybody's comfortable, especially me, but that's how it goes. Anyone else have project updates? Anyone have things that may arise? I'm not going to bother with project updates from us because everyone knows about it. Anybody? Okay. We are next scheduled for December 19th. As I mentioned earlier, we will do minutes for both November and October at that time. And other than that, we have no further business that I'm aware of. So motion to adjourn.
So moved. Second.
Thanks, Jason and Jerry. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Great, thank you. It's not close, but it's close.
This
All right,
conference is no longer being recorded.